Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to do full pave in your tiling model. Alright, for your information, there are 4 types of ways in doing a full pave in your tiling model. Alright, 4 methods. So let me show you how it's done. Firstly, come to your customization function and then click on your tiling function. Alright, once you're in, click onto your floor, and as you can see on the right hand side, there's a show grid button. Click onto it so it will be easier for you to see. Alright, right now I'll be using the tile library, alright, which is the ceramic tiles. Right, so just drag one of the tiles onto it. So the first method would be right click onto your tiles and then click on spread. Well, as you can see, it spreads according to your floor. Alright, so this would be the first type of full paving. Alright, so the second method would be, let me drag another tile into it. Alright, so right now hold on to your control and then select both tiles. Right click onto your tiles and then click on random spread. Alright, well, as you can see, this is a full pave as well, but it's a vertical type of paving because you have 2 different types of tiling design. Alright, so the third one would be the third method. Let us drag in another one. Alright, same thing, hold on to your control and then select the 3 of them. Right click onto your tiles and then select location mix. Well, as you can see, just by one simple click, alright, your tiles are randomly all mixed up together, right? So you would not have to do it one by one. It's just easy as that, alright? So let's go back. The fourth method, alright, let me delete 2 tiles and just left it with 1, alright? Right click onto your tiles and then select registration points are full. Right, well, once you click on it, as you can see, there are 9 points over here, a total of 9 points. So if, let's say, I click on this top left corner, all right, it would actually start paving from the top left corner, from the point which I actually selected. All right, let's do it again one more time. Right click, registration points are full. For example, right now I'm choosing the middle point. All right, so if I click onto the middle point, it actually starts paving onto the at the point which I selected. Right, so basically each point that you select, all right, it will generate a different type of paving design for you. All right, so you guys can try it out. So these are the 4 methods in doing a full pave on your tiling model. Alright, good luck trying, guys.